Fetch Rewards points history can look incorrect when your account activity has not synced properly, points are still processing, or the app is showing information from a different account. By the end, you'll know why your Fetch Rewards points history may be wrong, what to check inside the app, and the steps to troubleshoot missing or inaccurate points records. Section 1 is understanding why your points history may not match. Fetch Rewards tracks your receipt activity and points through your account, so the history you see depends on the app successfully updating your account information. If points appear missing or the total looks different, start by confirming that you are signed into the correct Fetch Rewards account. Using another email address or account can make your points history appear incomplete because your activity may be attached to a different profile. Next, close the Fetch Rewards app and reopen it. Refreshing the app helps it reconnect and load the latest account information. Check that your app is updated because an older version may not display your account activity correctly. Section 2 is checking receipt submissions and points details. Open your points activity and compare the entries with your receipt submissions. Check the receipt date, store information, and points activity shown in your account. If a receipt was recently submitted, the points may not appear immediately because the submission may still need to be processed. Review the receipt details to make sure the submission matches the requirements for earning points. Avoid submitting the same receipt multiple times because duplicate submissions can make your activity history harder to track. If a receipt was rejected or the points amount is different than expected, check the activity details for any available explanation. Section 3 is contacting Fetch Rewards support when the history is still incorrect. Before contacting support, collect the information connected to the missing points. Include your Fetch Rewards account details, receipt information, submission date, and screenshots showing the incorrect points history. A detailed support request gives the team the information needed to review your account activity. Check your email notifications as well, because Fetch Rewards may send updates about receipt processing or account changes. The key points are simple. Incorrect Fetch Rewards points history is usually connected to account syncing, receipt processing, or account confusion. Checking the correct login, refreshing the app, and reviewing receipt activity can help identify the issue. Your next step is opening Fetch Rewards, checking your points history, and comparing the listed activity with your submitted receipts. If this guide helped you fix Fetch Rewards points history problems, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.